This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Almog. First floor condo unit in a gated community. Split floor plan, 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms and a large screened-in patio. Tile floors throughout, walk-in closet, central air conditioner, washer/dryer in the unit. Storm shutters, front windows. Water, sewer and trash removal incorporated in the rent. Unit will be cleaned and fixed prior to move-in. Community offers beautiful grounds, tropical landscape and lakes, clubhouse, fitness center, swimming pool, hot tub, sauna and BBQ/picnic area. For more information, review the details below.